What is up, outer world? It's your girl Mila, and today we are recreating Monica Geller's outfits, or her most iconic outfits. And why are we doing that? Because it's one of my favorite TV shows, Friends, if you haven't watched it. And yeah, that's all that I want to say, so let's get on with it. So first outfit, I didn't have a red tank top like Monica, so I just used this tank top that I bought last year when we thrifted. And this is my jeans from Mr. Price with white shoes that I got from Mr. Price too. And then I also used shoelaces like I learned from TikTok to just tighten the jeans at the back, and now I look funky. Next up we got jeans again, and I was wrong. I got this jeans from H&M, and then my white t-shirt and my dad's work shirt and my white shoes. And I just love this outfit with my hair, and everything just fits well. And I think I will actually wear this one day in public when I gain the confidence to wear it. This was an easy outfit because it was just biker shorts with a sports bra. I didn't have a nice sports bra, but you know, we can work with what we have. And then just a jacket, a grey jacket, and my Nike tackies. And I would definitely just go jog in this outfit if it's hot like it was that day. And yeah, just me enjoying myself in my outfit. So this has to be my new favorite outfit. At first I was like stressing and thinking, Mila, you look so weird. But yeah, I have my school shoes on and a shorts that was in my cupboard, my purse from Cotton On, and a t-shirt that I bought in grade 7 I think. And this fit just worked for me, and I'm definitely going to wear it one day. And those socks also come out of my dad's closet. Yeah, just loving this outfit. And lastly, we have a cute summer off-the-shoulder dress. I think I bought it from Mr. Price. And then my white shoes with blue socks. So, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching. It's really hot now, so comment down below what was your favorite outfit, and if you would like to see me do the other members or the cast of Friends. And I thought to myself, why don't I like do series recommendations? So after every video I'm gonna say, well, at the end of every video I'm gonna say, or like give a recommendation. So obviously today's will be Friends because I started this series. And yeah, that's all. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you know, have a wonderful Monday, and peace out.